Hello guys, my name is Karan Patel. Welcome to Fun with Python tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can pattern a pyramid with all kind of symbols and different pattern in Python. In a first video, the video becomes so long because I write the code and explain you. So in this video I already write the code, so I have to just explain. First of all, open the Jupyter and write the syntax. And initially we print this line, the program for a half pyramid. You have to write enter the row that what is the maximum height of a pyramid hive, and this is just a for loop. After the write the code, press shift enter, and here you go. You have to write the height of a pyramid, just 10, make it for the easy, and here you go. Program for a half pyramid, but in this code I just convert the length of, because this line become first and the first line become last. In this code you just have to mention minus here, and I plus 1 is as it is. Okay, so let's run this code. Here you go, make it 10. That's good. If you have any kind of doubt, please mention it on a comment section. I will clarify that. This one is amazing. You have to just make it a full triangle pyramid, but you can choose your own symbol for upper and lower pyramid for both of kind. Just write the code and run it. First of all, you have to write the height of rows. Just make it 20. For that you have to pattern symbol right here. Okay, what kind of pattern symbol we can choose? Like @ sorry. Okay, so to run this code, just press shift enter. You have to enter the row, just make it 20, enter. Pattern symbol, like I choose @, you can choose anyone. Okay, enter, and there you go. You can see the @ pyramid. If you want to choose some different symbol, like just shift enter, 20, enter. If you want hashtag, just go with that. You can see the hashtag pyramid. This one is my favorite. So the pattern symbol for the uppercase is different, for the lowercase it's different. Okay, first just go through the code and type in your Jupyter notebook and run it. Shift enter. You write 20. For the upper symbol I choose a hashtag, and for lower I choose iterate, and here you go. For the first 10 pyramids you see hashtag, and for lower you see iterate. You can choose your own symbols. If you want for the same, you can just do that. 20, enter, iterate, enter, iterate. There you go. For that you choose all iterate, and you all iterate pyramid. Okay, in this code, enter the word or the number. This one is also amazing code. Just run through it. Okay, I enter my enrollment number 160280. Okay, press enter, and kaboom, 116160 and here you go for the full enrollment number. I prefer this code for not number, but rather than you write a number, you can choose a word like Karan, welcome you. Run it. space. It can. This is amazing. So this one is the last code for this video. Just run the code and see what it do. Number line you want to print, like I want this for the 20 lines, so right at 20. Write the maximum number you want to start, just go for 20. Okay, press enter. Oh, it's 20, 19, 18, 17. Okay, 1 and here we go. Guys, I hope you all understand what I read the code and logic. If you don't, just write it down in the comment section if you have any kind of doubt. If you want your own patent and you are confusing with, or if you have faced any trouble, just write your patent in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem as well. Thank you for this video, guys. Thank you so much. Bye. If you have any doubt, please mention it on the comment section. Thank you.